Math learners, welcome to MATH-JASTIN's Mathematics Lessons and Techniques. So our topic for today is all about the distance formula. So let us begin. Excuse me. So what is a distance formula? So when we say distance formula, it measures the length of a line segment given its 2 points. The formula of distance formula. So we have the distance is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 raised all to the squared power plus the square root of y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So next. So let us have our segment of I am a problem solver. So in the 2 points, so we have 2, 3. So we have 2 and 3. So that's why we have 2, 3. Next, we have 5, 7. So 5, 7. So this is the Cartesian plane. Then we have the x and y axis. No? As a trivia lang naman. So the problem number 1. So what is the distance between 2, 3 and 5, 7? Ano kaya sukat ng distansya nito mula dito hanggang dito? No? So, we have the given that x sub 2 is 5. No? Bakit po x sub 2? That is the second given. So we have x sub 1 such as the 2. So, x sub 1 and x sub 2. First given and second given of x's. Next, we have the y sub 2 is equal to 7. Then we have y sub 1 is 3. So y sub 1 and y sub 2. Those givens that indicates the x's and y's. So we have the formula again. So paalala ang formula. So we have the distance is equal to square root of the square of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 plus the square of y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So the solution. So the x sub 2 like I said is 5. So 5, we have 5. Then x sub 1 is 2. So that's why we have 2. So bakit po ito yung minus, no? Sinunod lang. Next, plus y sub 2 is 7 and y sub 1 is 3. So we have the square root of 5 minus 2 plus the square of 7 minus 3. So next, we have 5 minus 2 is 3 plus 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So we have 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Then 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Excuse me. So we have 9 plus 6 is equal to 25. So the square root of 25 is what? Is positive 5. And so that's why the distance of between the 2 points is 5. The distance is equal to 5 units. So the distance between points 2, 3 and 5, 7 is 5 units. Like I said, 5 units. No? So we have point A and point B. So next. So I am the problem solver segment ulit tayo. So problem number 2. What is the distance between the points A such as 3 and negative 2 and point B that consists of negative 5 and negative 1? What is the x sub 2? X sub 1, y sub 2, and y sub 1. So the given. So the x sub 2 is negative 5. The second given. Kung mapapansin nyo, A, B. So we have x sub 2. Then we have the x sub 1. Then we have y sub 1, y sub 2. No? So we have the formula of the distance of x. Yan, ulit yung formula natin. So, the solution, ayan lang din. So, the square root of the square of the negative 5 minus 3 plus negative 1 minus negative 2 raised all to the squared power. So, ayan, we have negative 5 minus 3. So, inad lang natin, no? So, add its opposite, so it becomes negative 8. Or, if the same sign dito that you're going to add. So, negative 5 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 8. So, copy the square. Next, negative 1 minus negative 2. So, we have negative 1 plus 2. So, adds its opposite nga, diba? So, we have negative 8 times negative 8 is equal to 64. Plus, negative 1 plus 2 is equal to positive 1. So, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So, the square of 1 is 1. So, square root of 64 plus 1 is equal to the square root of 65, or 8.06. Kung i-convert natin siya as decimal based on the calculator, no? So that the distance between point A and B is 8.06, or 8 and 6/100, no? Okay, that's all. I hope that you have learned something today, so don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more mathematics lessons, and add a public comment below my video if you want to suggest some mathematics that you want to learn more, or if you have some questions regarding to the lesson that I've been discussed. So may you also click the notification bell in my channel for more updates regarding to the mathematics lessons that I'm going to upload in YouTube. So by the way, you may also follow me at my Instagram account, Jeronimo Messina de los Reyes. So, sometimes minsan ako mag-upload ng aking math videos para sa marami pang kaalaman ninyo regarding sa mathematics. So, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.